Let's cut to the chase. Are we all going to be wiped out by an asteroid in 2032?
Well, the current reckoning is the 2.2% chance. And this is the problem. We just don't know for sure. And Ireland could actually be a bit in the firing line in that, although we don't know exactly if it'll miss us, it should come close anyway. The path we can actually tell, it'll probably come in over the northern part of South America, then across the Atlantic Ocean, and then across Africa, which sounds okay. It misses Ireland. But if it lands in the Atlantic Ocean, there could be a massive tsunami if this thing is as big as 100 meters across.
How far away in the Atlantic would we need it to land for that tsunami not to reach us?
Well, it's difficult to tell. We can see of this particular asteroid is a tiny blip in telescopes because it came close right at the end of December. 100 meters is relatively small. Think of the moon. It was twice the distance to the moon, and the moon is about 3 million meters across. So it's a tiny dot, only visible in powerful telescopes. And that's one of the problems. We won't be able to follow it, even with the biggest telescopes in the world, for more than a few weeks. Then it comes back in 2028. That's good because then we can measure its position very accurately and give an exact prediction for 4 years after that, December the 22nd, 2032. So we're going to have to wait on tenterhooks until then.